In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through the design step. So this step's pretty important because you get to choose whether or not you want to use a VYPER landing page, so it's hosted by us, or you want to use an embed form. So what a VYPER landing page looks like is, we're just pulling in our example again here. You can see that this is hosted on vyper.io domain, and everything is easy. So the content area is all built out, the CTAs, all that sort of stuff. And this is very easy to design. You don't have to do any coding, you don't have to do anything yourself. It's all built for you. If you want to put it on your own domain, you can use a subdomain feature in some of the plans. So just upgrade to that. The other option here is to use the embed form. So if you want to use this embed form and build your own landing page, all you have to do is paste this on your landing page. And what that's going to look like, it's going to look like this section here. So you're just going to have your name, email, and the captcha, robot captchas there, and the signups. So that way you can actually design and develop your own landing page, and you can just place the embedded form on there. So that's outside of VYPER. So it's completely up to you which option you'd like to choose. For the rest of this example, I'm just going to use the VYPER landing page because this is the most common option. And so down here, you can just add your background image. Color overlays work really well for making your text stand out. And then you can also do the opacity of that overlay. So you can make it super strong or just faint so that it's kind of transparent. And here you also want to add your logos. So just drag and drop those in there, and take note of these little notes under here. Because some of these will be logos for your emails, some of them will be favicons, and then also logos for your contest. You can choose your CTA button text. You can see this is enter now, as you saw in our example here. And then you can choose the color, the font size, the fonts, the link colors, all that sort of stuff. And the next thing you want to do is you want to actually put a thank you message. This is optional, you don't have to have this, but it is a nice little thank you message that you can add to on the thank you page. So on the thank you page, you'll have up here a quick closing statement that you can say congratulations or quick closing soon, and then a subheading to encourage people to share something or encourage people to complete the actions below, share their link, and all that sort of stuff. So that's the design section. Let us know if you've got any questions.